my channel, and I'm Reed, and this is Reed's Beauty Trip, and we are doing a unboxing, all these late unboxings. Some of them have been here a little while, I just have not had a chance to play with them. And I don't unbox them until I film, so I have no idea what's in here. So once again, clear face, so we're gonna see if we can do a get ready with me from the box. This one is my September Glossybox. So I am excited. I do like Glossybox because you really don't know, and you get to try a lot of ranges of stuff. So I really do enjoy Glossybox. And they put that extra care in. They have the little ribbon and tissue paper. And stuff and such. So I don't seem to have my piece of paper. So we're gonna float on by with this. So one of the things I noticed is we have a Daily Beauty, which I like Daily Concepts, beauty headband. So I got one of those in. They have been doing quite a bit, I feel like, with Daily Concepts, and I love their scrubbers. Don't get me wrong, I do. I love their scrubbers. So, I don't have a lot of hair in the back, so if it doesn't hold, back here, it's not really. So, that is good if I can use it. The next thing we have is an exfoliating wash by Codex Beauty. Bia. It's got milk, thistle, and elderflower. I love elderflower in some of my drinks and stuff. So I'm hoping it's sealed, but oh, it's a very interesting seal. Actually, it's sealed like right here. That's really neat. But it's an exfoliating wash. It says, place a small amount of the cleanser on the tips of the clean fingers and gently massage the entire face and neck area with small circular movements. Then rinse off with water for daily use. I am not I don't believe in exfoliating daily. Unless where you're exposed to the elements more and your skin is, has some more stuff going on. Then yes, I'm a firm believer that you should exfoliate. I'm not. Sorry, I'm moving my little heater and stuff. So that's interesting enough. I got something else in the way. I need to move it. Then we got Ruby Recharge Mind and Store. This is a sheet mask, and this is by Vitamas. Made in Korea. I hadn't done anything with my bangs yet, and hold on, guys. So far, nothing to do. No get ready with me's. Everybody's seen my naked faces. It's a new generation of Korean face mask combines skincare with gemstone therapy, aromatherapy, and color therapy. So it has made with ruby, stone powder, and goji berries. Interesting. So we're doing the skincare thing right now. Then we have Swell Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum. And it is smooths, add gloss, and conceals split ends. Oh, this is a hair serum. For Swell to do this. After towel drying hair, using Swell's Root Complex, apply 1 to 4 pumps of serum to mid-lengths, and depending on hair length and density. It says work the product through the hair for even distribution, and then blow dry and style as required. So yeah, we are really playing in the thing. Okay, what's this? This one looks cute. This is Miss Flowers Mr. Honey's Cream. Did I show you Swell? So that's the hair thing. So that's probably a deluxe sample. Sorry. It's like 30 some degrees in here. Gotta turn the furnace on now. But I have a space heater over here for my workspace. So this is Miss Flowers and Mr. Honey's Cream by Vanilla Co. It smells, oh, definitely smells like honey. So that's another skincare. And then what is this? Melchior Paris. This is distributed by Factor K from Paris. Let us see what's in the little green box. I can't believe I don't have the paperwork for this. Oh, it's a jade roller. So another tool. So yeah, so the boxes, the subscription boxes are really getting into tools. So this was a skincare focus. So I don't get to do anything to my face. And such. Well, what a shame. Aw, man. But, I will be quite honest. I am keeping the Miss Flowers and Mr. Honey cream. I'm just fascinated, and it smells so good. But the skincare stuff, and I know a friend of mine, they're gonna be so shocked. I am putting these in a giveaway. So what I got in Glossybox is going in a giveaway. So the headband, because of my hair, this does the job for me. The exfoliating wash, because I have literally, if you open a cupboard, I have 3 shelves full of that kind of stuff. The hair serum, I never make time to do these things. The hair mask, and I already have a jade roller, so and really until you wear out the metal part, you know, the stone really doesn't wear out. So I'd rather give this to someone to enjoy also. So the only thing I'm keeping is Miss Flowers and Mr. Honey cream. But overall, I think it's a really nice stuff that's going to go in the giveaway. So I'm not heartbroken over it. I still love my Glossybox. I know a friend of mine is going to give me some of its crap that I just basically said I'm giving away all my skincare except one little thing. So go figure. But if you liked it, please comment below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.